Okay, this is how to make funny noises with straws. This is Dustin.
Hi, we've already measured out our stuff a while ago, just sitting around. Got bored.
Yeah, Dustin is IMAFIRINMAHLAZOR, but he was not the maker of it.
I did not make IMAFIRINMAHLAZOR, but I'm a big fan of it. So if you're out there watching this video and you made it, good job.
First you take a straw, you gotta flatten it, like with your mouth or something.
Yeah, don't do these holes. Well, if you don't bend the end, you can cut it like that, and it'll make a sound something like this.
It'll sound.
You just have to squeeze a little bit in between your teeth.
Okay, now it's flattened. You have to cut it right. Let me put the camera down. I use the remote to hold it up or something.
I don't know. It's your camera, not mine. So if you ruin it.
Okay, I need to see the scissors. It's flat. Yay for flatness. Here's one I already made. It's very long. The longer it is, the deeper noise it makes. This is what it sounds like. Sounds pretty weird.
Here's my shortest. Let me try and get it to blow.
Makes a really high pitched noise. Okay, now you got like that, just blow it.
Where'd I put that piece? There it is. There's my new piece.
Cut it if you want to make it like, high pitched.
If you want to, you can take it and do this.
You can connect them, like
cut little pieces. If you're gonna connect it, you'd cut it the same way you'd blow it, and you just kind of push it in there. And then the other one, you would usually cut it, but for some reason I didn't know that and bent it. So it goes in. Now I cut little holes. Never cut it close to this part. Cut it about here, 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 or down, whatever.
Zoom in on what he's doing. Zoom in pretty well with this camera, it just needs focus.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make little holes for like...
Make little holes like those.
It's like you're doing a pipe. Okay, you people, have fun with your weird noises!